Hi everyone. Today my focus is going to be cleaning my microwave. My microwave is super dirty. So let me show you the horribly dirty microwave and I'll tell you how I'm going to clean it. So all I use to clean my microwave is a bowl of water, some essential oil, lemon, and a sponge. So I just put like 10 drops of essential oil into the bowl of water. I put this bowl into my microwave. Try not to spill it. And I set the timer for 3.5 minutes. Okay, now the water is really hot, but the steam makes it really easy to wipe out all the grease. So can you get in there? So I just kind of wipe, and you can see all the goo comes right off. You see that? And then sometimes if there's a spot, look at it, just wipe right off. Okay, and sometimes if there's a spot that's sticky and that won't come off, well, that just did. Well, let's pretend there's a spot that really doesn't want to come off. I will dip the sponge in the really hot water and scrub it a little bit to have it come off. It's really hot though, so you have to be super careful. But you can see how it just wipes right off. All the guck comes right off really easily. I'm not applying much pressure at all. So after I do this, I'll wash the glass dish just in my sink, and I'll also wash the door here with the lemon water. Like I'll dip it in the sponge and I'll wipe this off. That's how I clean my microwave. Thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. Have yourself a good day.